Hi, welcome to Leftovers with Annie. I am Annie, your host. The way leftovers will work is each week I will receive a mystery product in this bag and I need to find a way to use it at home. If you like to hear good ideas for your home and how to decorate, hit the subscribe button and hear from me each week. Let's see what's in our mystery bag this week. Spray paint, Rust-Oleum flat, paint and primer in one, and it's in white. Fall is my favorite time of the year. I love the crispness in the air. I love the colorful leaves when I walk outside in my backyard. In fact, I even have cinnamon sticks in my workshop because I love that smell of autumn. I think we can use this paint and primer in one spray paint to make some very cool fall decor that we can use around the house. Let's get started. Anytime you spray paint, you always want to be in a well-ventilated area. I've got the door open, so I'm ready to go. This spray paint has the trigger versus that small nozzle, so it's easier to manage. The spray paint comes out wider versus straight, which offers a better coverage and helps you avoid drips. My mason jar lids are all painted white, and because I like to use all my leftovers, I decided to paint the canning jar caps also, because I have an idea on how I can use these. Let me show you what I had in mind for this fall decor. Make sure that you put all your mason jar lids on the right way so it's consistent. You have a twine full of mason jar lids. Did you figure out what I'm making yet? Look at that. You have the cutest mason jar lid pumpkin. Right now it's a nice white round pumpkin, but I need a stem. So let's grab our cinnamon stick and a handy dandy glue gun, and we are going to hot glue this cinnamon stick. How adorable is that? Every pumpkin grows on a vine, so why don't I take some of these springs I have, pull them apart just a little bit. Let's put a little hot glue on the spring, and then we're going to place it on our pumpkin for the finishing touch. And remember, I have these mason jar caps still that I spray painted because I like leftovers and I want to use them somehow. We're going to turn them into pumpkin. Hot glue one side, and we are going to take the other one and we're going to place it right on top. And you're going to hold it for a few seconds. These two are dried and glued together like that. Let's take our third mason jar cap and we're going to place it right in the middle of the two. But one cinnamon stick is pretty big for this little pumpkin, and we are going to cut our cinnamon stick in half. And we're going to tie just a little bow on the top. My dining room looks great, and it was just with leftover paint. I would love to see the pumpkin you made with your leftover paint, so use the hashtag #TheHelpfulPlace. Thank you for joining me. Come back next week for some more Leftovers with Annie.